Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are unboxing this beautiful knife set that we bought. My husband and I are in need of a new knife set, and this is the brand we chose, Aster Cook. We had a lot of good things. This is what it comes with. I think it looks beautiful. We got ours on Amazon, so I will definitely link it down below. We have been super busy and I haven't been able to do any unboxing videos or anything really. My in-laws were in the process of moving. This is probably not the way to do it, but this is the way I'm doing it. Okay. Oh my god, I'm excited. I think I need to sign up for this one. And I grabbed scissors because I thought I was going to need scissors. Okay. Cardboard that I don't need. Okay, so it comes with Not Happy, Happy card. Comes with the instructional manual. Okay. These are the knives, I am assuming. And this must be the block. Oh, that's so nice. Sweet packed. Okay, cool. And that's the box. Let's unbox this, which is nice because I can keep these boxes for my husband and I to ship stuff, because I have some stuff I'm shipping and I needed boxes. Perfect. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm literally keeping these boxes for my next shipment stuff. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. And it comes with the knife sharpener, which is what I wanted. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. So very slick and clean. Love it. Amazing. Now, let's put the knives in. Excuse that receipt. Okay. How do I open this now? Oh, so pretty. This is what it looks like. How cool. Okay. Obviously, we have our scissors. Now I'm starting to think I should have kept the box. I wonder if these are the steak knives. So let's do the steak knives. Oh, and I love that they have this cap on them. Sweet. Look how beautiful they are. And I love the grip.